Boss, ready? Ready? Knee, knee. Bar. GoPro, none.
Hey boy.ไม่รู้ฮัลโหลน้องของเธอเราคงจะพาไปเล่นน้ำกันแล้วจัดฝั่งนี้มันโคตรยาวอ่ะ
Oh, hello, we're in the water. Yes, we are. What a swim, eh? Beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. Da-na-na-na. Yes, the Fern result. Gang ma. Sanuk mai. Yes, sanuk chan loi. Towards the camera. Under. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus. Oh, my hat. Oh, no. My hat. Oh, no. Look. Oh, that'll dry off, won't it? Ain't been right. Never mind, as they say in Thailand. Here we go. Oh, Dima. Oh, yes, this is more like it. This is what the viewers want. Again. Yes! No, this is what they want. Do it properly. Come on. Good somersault. Good somersault. Look, butterfly. Sister, you ring, she won't bark. You have? Yay! Sanok ma! Okay! Underwater! Underwater! Sanok! Oh, brilliant, excellent, I like that one. Okay, under the banana tree bus, jump in, somersault, good one. Hey, thank you. Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, that's all the fun of the pool. Hey, we'll be here for a while, till 6 I reckon, these won't want to leave. This is how good it is. And look at that, what a view. What a view you have. And the children having fun, eh? It's a Saturday and we're having fun. Oh, okay, I'm going to get out because I'm going to stop the camera. I think that we've seen enough, yeah? We didn't bring a football with us, did we? Mind me look bong. Hi. I'm going to get out and stop the camera. But look, you can relax on these lovely benches. Lovely. Relax up there. Right, that's the second part of the Fern. Fun in the pool with the lads. We're enjoying themselves. Right, that's it. Peace out.